In times of uncertainty, when life presents us with seemingly insurmountable challenges, finding a solution can often feel impossible. It is during these moments that many turn to their faith for guidance and support. For believers, the concept of divine intervention offers hope and comfort, as they trust that God will clear paths through their problems. In this article, we will explore how God's solution manifests through clearing paths and unveil the mysteries behind His problem-solving ways. Divine intervention, God's solution in clearing paths. Divine intervention is the belief that God actively involves Himself in human affairs to bring about desired outcomes. For those who place their faith in a higher power, divine intervention can be a source of strength and assurance. When faced with problems, believers often pray earnestly for God's help and guidance. It is through their unwavering trust in His divine power that paths are cleared, leading them towards resolution. God's solution in clearing paths is not always immediate or obvious. It may come in the form of unexpected opportunities, renewed perspectives, or even through the help of others. Sometimes, problems are not eliminated entirely but rather transformed into valuable lessons that shape our character and strengthen our faith. By relying on God's intervention, individuals gain the perseverance and resilience needed to navigate obstacles, ultimately leading to personal growth and triumph over adversity. Unveiling the mysteries, how God solves problems. The mysteries behind how God solves problems lie in the intricate ways He orchestrates events and aligns circumstances to bring about resolution. While we may not always comprehend the divine methods at work, believers trust in God's wisdom and omniscience. It is through His divine knowledge that new possibilities are revealed, and paths are opened, even in the face of seemingly impossible situations. God's solutions often challenge human expectations and stretch the boundaries of what we perceive as possible. It is in these moments that faith is tested and strengthened, as believers witness the miraculous unfolding of His plans. By surrendering control and trusting in God's guidance, individuals can find solace in knowing that their problems are not insurmountable. With God's intervention, paths are cleared, paving the way for hope, healing, and a brighter future. Embracing God's solution. In times of trouble, it is important to remember that God's solution can clear paths through our problems. Divine intervention offers believers the strength and assurance they need to face challenges head-on, knowing that they are not alone. By trusting in His wisdom and surrendering control, we can find comfort in the mysteries of God's problem-solving ways. So, let us embrace His solution and have faith that even in the darkest of times, paths will be cleared, leading us to a brighter tomorrow. Please like and subscribe. For more content and full videos, visit our channel. Thank you.